Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Welcome to NAEVEMBER. It took Reginae to Golden Steak Restaurant. Ow, let's get into it.
Alright, yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a day in the life of our swiggity, Armoney, man. I appreciate y'all for getting that song, Hold It Down, back inside of Billboard hip-hop digital sales. This is not R&B, it is hip-hop now, so I thank y'all so much, man. I appreciate y'all. It's the love, but I'm not here to...
That is a huge deal. Congratulations, Armon. I'm so happy for you. See? My lovebirds, they blowing up on the charts. I love it.
Talk about that right now. We can talk about it at the end of the video, but you know, today, as y'all can tell from the title, I am taking my baby girl out to a surprise dinner. We do dinner a lot, but tonight is a little bit special for her. You get what I'm saying? It's NAEVEMBER. You know what I'm saying? And she told me, welcome to NAEVEMBER. But I don't think she know how I'm doing NAEVEMBER for her. You get what I'm saying? I got a lot of things in store. Today is just like the first little titsy-bitsy spider went up the water spout. Pull up in the Range Rover, nigga, it's not good. Okay, but yeah, y'all, we got a little surprise dinner, so gotta tell her to go in the room. Matter of fact, y'all go in the room with me. Come on. Let me tell y'all something. Hold on. Let me shut this down. I'll tell y'all this. I don't do stuff like this for the camera. You get what I'm saying? This is why. But I ain't gonna talk about that. You know what I'm saying? Going into the room, my baby's. I don't do all that. But come on, I'll let y'all. I'll do this for y'all right now. It's NAEVEMBER. It's a different month. Baby, you good? I'm about to record. Right here. So, I needed you to know.
I'm not.
What?
What?
I'm for real, baby. But I need you to do, we probably need to do it earlier, because I know how you is with it. I need you to get a dress today. You get what I'm saying? We got the driver for tonight is at 10. You should have got a notification to your phone. But.
Ooh, notifications. He official with his. He ain't RSVP'd her time. Okay.
You have to get dresses a certain dress code. We gotta wear something.
Hey, what's going on?
You know, we got a little, you know, it's NAEVEMBER. It's the kickoff. You feel what I'm saying? To the shit I got in store for you. But it is a certain dress code, so I had to come here and tell you can't just wear anything. So you gotta hit somebody up. You know what I mean? And you got plenty clothes, but I had to let you know it just wasn't something around 6 o'clock. I'm like, oh, we're going to dinner. You feel what I'm saying? It's very elegant. So, yeah, we got the driver. We got, you should get the text message to your phone. And you, welcome to NAEVEMBER, okay? You can get you some more sleep, baby.
Oh, that's just so sweet. I love the lovebirds. That's what my nickname for them is, the lovebirds.
What's up, mama? You all right? Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, y'all. So, yeah, welcome to NAEVEMBER. We're not going to talk about behind-the-scenes stuff that's being done. Yeah, I'm feeling good. But, yeah, we do got a certain dress code. We have to wear it there tonight. So, y'all will see us probably fly. You know what I'm saying? We're not probably. Y'all will see us fly. So, I will see y'all when we get there, man, on game. Yo, what's the deal, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this.
Okay, Mama Nay. I see you, girl. I like the jacket. The glasses look nice. Y'all are fly. I like it. Go, girl.
If I do have my baby to the left of me, she's fly. She's ready to go. We is ready to go for the dinner tonight. We're finna head out. I forgot I almost left my camera, y'all. But finna grab that camera, man. I mean, how we look, y'all?
We look good.
I mean,
I'm gonna walk into this restaurant. They don't be like, who the hell?
Alright, so we gotta get up out of here. It's 9:57. Our reservations is at 10. So we 8 minutes away. So we alright. See y'all in the car on.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all.
Hey,
She got her some little extra inches today. Y'all know she normally be short, but we're finna go in here and eat.
I like those boots, girl. Yes, ma'am. She ain't playing with y'all today. She photo ready.
What's the deal, my boy?
What's going on, my guy? Y'all doing
Thank
all right?
you, man. We appreciate you for pulling up on us. It is a Saturday night.
Yay.
Me and my baby is finna get hot. Yeah, I know how we do it. We finna go eat at a place that we never ate before. I was talking to Rob about it. Rob,
And I love the hair, girl. That's gorgeous.
didn't you say the place was very good?
I heard it was pretty good.
All right, so after Rob told me that everything costs $18,000, I had to take out a whole bunch of money just so we can eat properly tonight. You get what I'm saying? Or I was gonna have my baby ordering appetizers. Nah, nah, y'all. But y'all know what we finna kick it real quick. It's 8 minutes away.
Yes.
But yeah, and we'll be right back. They probably not gonna let us film in there, but I'ma still take my camera because we gotta film something. I ain't do all this. It's not film nothing. Right, baby?
Right.
You look so pretty in that melanin brown. Oh my God. You know, baby.
He does. And y'all got to bring us with you. You know, we family. I want to go.
Did you listen to me when I told you I love that hairstyle on you?
Yeah.
I do too, girl. It's beautiful.
I love you
I love you too.
so much. Look at her, yo. Look at my baby.
Hello, birds.
It's hot, but we gotta be hot because it's cold outside.
Exactly, baby. Now you seeing what's going on, y'all. Look at her with the fur.
Yeah, I got the fur on.
Yo, this girl is so extra. She's so extra, bro. But we'll see y'all when we get there on...
Gang.
And you got to have the fur in the winter, though. I mean, I'm with you, sis. Go ahead. Do your thing, girl.
Y'all, so we are in here. I could not take my camera, but I am still vlogging. Ooh, the baby. Okay. All right, so y'all, right now it looks like we are in a place. As you can tell, there's no. Hey, there go my baby. Say hey,
Y'all see
baby.
me, right?
Look at my baby.
Yes,
she got the love
we're in
makeup.
a place where, you know, can't tell nobody because it's top secret.
It's top secret. It's not open. You feel me? So you can't. But as you can see, we are in the boogaloo.
Let me tell y'all, this man that took me somewhere where we had to go through like a private door.
It was a private. Yo, y'all, it was literally a door that looked like a shelf, and then you push it, and then you come down here.
Crazy.
I really, I want to take a picture in front of the door.
Y'all in the cut. Okay. Secret passageway and such. Gotcha.
That's fire. That door was different, right, baby?
It's real different.
How you like the place, though?
I love it.
You got some beautiful
Can't wait
pictures.
to eat. Just a picture. Y'all will be seeing them.
Yeah, y'all probably already seen them by now. But I'm gonna show her the food when it gets here. I know it's a little, different with the recording, but it's on the iPhone. You feel what I'm saying? And we're trying to figure it out. Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
Alright, so first on the menu is crab cakes, baby girl. Let me see you taste it.
Okay, let's see. You ready?
I'm ready, princess.
Y'all know I'm picky.
Why you ain't cut that? You crazy,
I'm from New
girl.
Orleans.
Right, me too. It's like, nah. You liked it?
I like it. It's good.
You
I'm
look
not
pretty.
really a fan. Thank you, baby. I'm not really a fan of the sauce under it, but I like it. The crab cake is good. It's fun.
Okay.
You want to say something?
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it.
I'm gonna hold it down and keep it till the morning.
That's so sweet. We appreciate y'all love and support of Petty Fam. All right, y'all. This is just a little something. I want to make sure we celebrate the NAEVEMBER with y'all. All right. Hopefully more videos soon. See ya.